The final question. What transformative change do you want to see in the Bayong Santa Rita that may bring hope during a time of a national crisis? Again, what transformative change do you want to see in Bayong Santa Rita that may bring hope during a time of a national crisis?
Isa po ang gusto kong makita. Gusto ko makita na umaangat ang mga youth natin, ang mga kabataan. Kasi in times of need, ang mga kabataan, ang mga taong yun, ang magtataas sa atin. Right now, Philippines may be in times of crisis, but even so, the youth will be the next generation and the youth will be the one who will guide us and help us. Kaya sana mapalaki natin ang mga kabataan na may pangarap, pagsisikap, at alam ang bansang tinitirhan nila. Thank you.
Crisis that needs to end right now is the crisis on education. That question is very close to me, and it was close to my heart because as an advocate of education, I have an advocacy, isang bata, isang guro, iisang pangarap. This advocacy is yet simple, but so powerful. Because did you know that 5 to 6 million children in our country are being left behind when it comes to quality education? They cannot able to read and write. And as a teacher, that's a very concerning because I know to myself that education should not be a privilege. It should be a right. Because at the end of the day, education is not just about knowledge. It is about, again, it is about the foundation of every successful individuals who serves our country. Because education shapes better citizens, competent leaders, and compassionate members of society. Because with Apon Dita always said, nothing is impossible with God. And I also believe in that because with the dreams, love, hope, faith that I have in my heart, I am sure that everything will become possible. As Jose Rizal said, that ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya, Nano, tara, Kimbayong Santa Rita.
Times of national crisis, everyone is affected. So, I'm looking forward that we must support our farmers. As an architecture graduate, I want to propose a farm-to-market structures where we can buy directly to our farmers because we all know that farmers is the backbone of our economy and they are the one who are working so hard to ensure that we have food on our table. And let's make our Santa Rita, the farmers, are enjoyable just like other professions. Maraming salamat po.
Going back to my advocacy, I've always talked about health education. And I believe through my advocacy, I can bring hope to the beautiful town of Santa Rita. And together, if we work together with the government, together with the local government unit, together we will have a healthy and a lively Santa Rita.
If I were a Ginoo ning Santa Rita tonight, I can help in making Santa Rita more progressive by promoting unity, safety, and sustainability. Through volunteering, supporting local businesses, mentoring others, and cleaning public spaces and actively participate in our local government activities. To participate in our youth and sharing my advocacy, as a Ginoo, I want to inspire the youth to do the same because even a small contribution can make a big impact to create a Bayong Santa Rita. Thank you.